Okay, so you want to know how to use the Kh-29TE missiles found on the Su-39. Well, they're fairly similar to how AGM-65 Mavericks work, just they're a little bit longer range and you have a significantly worse camera to do them with. But we're going to try to lock this SPA here, and it is at 21 kilometers currently. This one you will kind of want to do it in your camera so we can just barely see him here, and we'll hit our lock button, which is the same as our fire button, and we'll just launch that right off there. If you don't know which button that is to do the lock and launch, it is same button that's used as the Mavericks, which is the fire air to ground missile. I have mine set to mouse button 4. You can find it in the weaponry tab, or if you go and watch my Maverick video, you can also see it be used there. So then we'll wait a little bit longer, and pretty soon it should hit. There we go. You can also use these at close range with the third person lock on and launch. So if I want to lock this SPA here, get my little targeting square locked on, angle up a little bit, and missile out. I hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and let me know what you guys want to see next. At any rate, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.